Hey everyone, and welcome back to Diva Health Focus. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of protein, a powerhouse nutrient that plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Whether you're focused on weight management, boosting your energy, or simply striving for a healthier lifestyle, understanding the impact of protein is key. We'll be exploring its many benefits, particularly for women, and I'm sharing 10 of my favorite quick and easy protein-rich meals that will revolutionize your diet. Let's start by understanding why protein is so essential. Think of protein as the building block of our bodies. It's involved in almost every process, from building and repairing tissues to producing enzymes and hormones. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, essential for muscle growth and repair. This is especially important after a workout when your muscles need those amino acids to recover and rebuild. Protein is also a key player in boosting your metabolism and cognitive function. Now, let's delve into why protein is particularly important for women. We experience unique hormonal shifts throughout our lives, and protein plays a vital role in maintaining hormonal balance. Adequate protein intake supports the production of hormones like estrogen and progesterone, essential for regulating our menstrual cycles and mood. Consuming enough protein is crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Protein works in synergy with calcium and vitamin D to support bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. As we age, it's natural for muscle mass to decline, but we can slow down this process by ensuring we're getting enough protein. One of the most talked about benefits of protein is its role in weight management. Protein helps curb those pesky cravings that can easily derail our healthy eating efforts. It directly impacts hormones that regulate hunger and satiety. When you consume protein, it triggers the release of hormones that signal to your brain that you're full and satisfied. This means you're less likely to experience those sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Protein also plays a crucial role in preserving lean muscle mass during weight loss. Let's dive into those quick and easy protein meals I promised. First up, we have a classic Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, packing about 20 grams of protein per serving. Choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, and then sweeten it naturally with a handful of your favorite berries. Berries are low in calories and packed with antioxidants, making them the perfect complement to this protein-rich snack or meal. To make it even more satisfying, add a sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds for some healthy fats and fiber. Next up, we have a lunchtime favorite grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken is a lean and versatile source of protein, making it a great addition to salads. Aim for a 4-ounce serving of grilled chicken breast, which provides about 35 grams of protein. Load up on colorful vegetables like leafy greens, bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots for added vitamins, minerals, and fiber. For a healthy fat source, add a quarter of an avocado. Short on time? No problem. Protein smoothies are a quick and easy way to pack in a ton of nutrients and protein in just a few minutes. Start with a base of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk for a dairy-free option. Next, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. For a boost of antioxidants and flavor, add a handful of spinach or kale. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. It blends in seamlessly, and adds a vibrant green color to your smoothie. Cottage cheese is another fantastic source of protein that's often overlooked. It's packed with casein protein, which is a slow-digesting protein that's especially beneficial for keeping you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Choose low-fat or fat-free cottage cheese to keep the calorie count in check, and then sweeten it naturally with a serving of your favorite fruit. Berries, sliced bananas, or diced peaches are all delicious options that add natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins and minerals. To add some healthy fats and fiber, sprinkle a tablespoon of chopped nuts or seeds on top. Tuna salad is a classic for a reason. It's quick, easy, and a great source of protein and healthy fats. Opt for tuna packed in water rather than oil to keep the calorie and fat content lower. Instead of using mayonnaise, mix your tuna with plain Greek yogurt. It adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein without all the extra calories. To add flavor and crunch, dice up some celery, red onion, and dill pickles. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. Egg white omelets are a great option as they're low in calories and fat but high in protein. One egg white contains about 4 grams of protein, so a 3-egg white omelet provides around 12 grams of protein. Load up your omelet with plenty of colorful vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers. These veggies add flavor, nutrients, and fiber to keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Looking for a plant-based protein option? Quinoa and black beans are here to save the day. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Black beans are another excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. To boost the flavor, add a simple dressing made with olive oil, lime juice, cumin, and cilantro. This combination of flavors adds a zesty and refreshing twist to the quinoa and black beans. Who says pancakes can't be healthy and protein-packed? These protein pancakes are a delicious and satisfying way to start your day off right. The secret ingredient? Protein powder, of course. To add sweetness and flavor without using refined sugar, use mashed bananas or unsweetened applesauce. These natural sweeteners add a touch of sweetness and moisture to the pancakes. For a quick and flavorful plant-based meal that's packed with protein, try this edamame and tofu stir-fry. Edamame beans are young soybeans that are harvested early and enjoyed in their pods. They're a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Tofu is another fantastic source of plant-based protein, and it's incredibly versatile. To add flavor to your stir-fry, use a combination of soy sauce or tamari, ginger, garlic, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Lentil soup is a hearty and satisfying meal that's packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. Lentils are a type of legume that's incredibly nutritious and affordable. They're a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and folate. To make your lentil soup even more flavorful, sauté some onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil until softened. Season your soup with spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. These spices add warmth and complexity to the soup. And there you have it, a deep dive into the incredible benefits of protein, especially for women, and 10 quick and delicious protein-packed meals to add to your recipe repertoire. If you enjoyed these tips and recipes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living inspiration. I'm excited to continue this journey with you as we explore more ways to nourish our bodies and thrive.